Good day, dear ones. This is Paulio the Arcturian, and I'm very pleased to be with you once again. Right now, we are all sitting in trying times, and we are going through pains, aches, and traumas like never before. We have been going through a purging process for some time right now. And dear ones, it is important to look after ourselves and to be kind and gentle on our sovereign souls. Now is not the time to be doubting or to bring about adverse reactions in your day, as this will only thwart and slow your processes down. We advise paying more attention to looking after yourselves on as many fronts, on as many facets as you can muster. Being centered and living in your hearts for as many moments of every day as possible will be greatly beneficial for you. Food, air, water are all vitally important to your well-being and your very existence. And the cleaner that these elements are before they are consumed and enter your body will be of a significant advantage to your evolution and your accelerated growth into the fifth dimension. Placing your hands on your hearts when you are in times of distress, and activating your one heart portal will help you to find more peace and tranquility, to help settle and calm your beingness. Remembering, dear ones, that this is a process of benevolence, support, growth, harmony, and of course, love. The more that we cherish and forgive ourselves, the more that we can transcend harmony into the very fabric of your societies, communities, and your world. Evil will not be defeated by combat, but by shining your light into the darkest of areas. For those who are awakened know that you never cease to exist. When you release the fear of death, you create freedom. You understand freedom, and you surpass fear. We love you unconditionally. We support you unconditionally and understand that we cannot interfere, but we can support when you call upon us. All of your guides, your angels and guardians are here to support you when you call upon them. Open your hearts and you shall receive. You are undertaking a mass awakening. You are supported. You are living a righteous life, one that will empower you and unfold new aspects of yourselves. For you are much more than what meets the eye. You are at the beginning of an evolution that is extraordinary, that can be overwhelming and filled with joy, love, pride, and sovereignty. As you free yourselves from the clutches of the 3D controlling world. We come with great grace, with love and support. Call upon us, and we are with you. Namaste, dear ones, with love. I hope that you enjoyed that message from Siharain. Remembering that we live in a universe of non-interference. So it is important to call upon your guides and angels for support, as they cannot interfere. However, they will always willingly and wantingly be of assistance to you when you call upon them. When you call upon your guides and angels, they are no longer interfering. They are supporting. Don't be frightened to call upon assistance. When you meditate, you can feel for them. You can ask for your guides and angels to present themselves into the field of your third eye vision. And the more that you sensitize yourself to the more subtle, finer, higher frequency energies, the more that you will feel, sense, and see their presence. Every day, I constantly remind myself to remain centered and grounded. The more grounded that you are, the more that you receive the higher frequency energies. Groundedness is paramount. It allows you to integrate the higher frequencies, to receive the higher frequencies. I'll leave you with this exercise to ground, center in every remembering moment of every day and feeling for the presence of your higher self and your guides and angels. You won't regret it. You will enter into a beautiful, magnificent realm that you wish that you never waited so long to be a more consciously aware part of, a more consciously aware part of. I'm sort of mixing up the words here a little bit. So, have a fantastic day. And if you would like a psychic card reading, please contact me via my website at arcturian.com.au. I operate out of Western Australia. So if you're in the southwest, so if you're local to the southwest of Australia, give me a phone call. I do readings over the internet to anywhere in the world. And I have some items in my store. However, I can send to anywhere around the world, but I need to get freight prices. In Australia, it's a lot easier to supply locally. Enjoy this channel. I hope that you find a lot of interesting material, and I will be back with you soon. Namaste, blessed beings of light. Stay strong, remain well, and look after your personality self. Love and blessings.